From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 13th question of WAEC 2025 OBJ Math says, given that x plus y is 1 and x plus 3y is 5, find the value of x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared. One could choose to solve this simultaneous equation, then find what x and y is, and then substitute this, and he will get the answer. But that will be a long journey. A quick way of solving this is to factorize this and then substitute what this is, because obviously the product of these two is simply this. Let's see. If we factorize x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared, remember how we do it. We multiply this first term with this last term, and then we look for two numbers such that the product will be this product of these two, which is 3x squared y squared, and their sum will be 4xy. The two numbers that come to mind will be xy and 3xy, because xy times 3xy will be 3x squared y squared, and xy plus 3xy will be 4xy, right? And so for us to factorize this, in place of 4xy, we put xy and 3xy. So this will be x squared plus xy plus 3xy plus 3y squared. X is common. We're left with x plus y. 3y is common. We're left with x plus y. And so x plus y is common. We factorize it. So we have x plus y. And we are left with x plus 3y. Now we are told that x is 1 and x plus 3y is 5. And 1 times 5, simply 5. So that our correct option is B. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye.